Unsaturated test for alkenes. This test is to test the presence of carbon-carbon double bond, and it is to distinguish alkene and alkane. There are two unsaturated tests for alkenes, which are Bayes test using KMnO4 and bromine test using bromine in inert solvent and bromine in water. KMnO4 is a strong oxidizing agent. For Bayes test, the reactants are alkene, dilute alkaline potassium permanganate, KMnO4. The condition must be at room temperature or cold. Products are diols and brown precipitate of MnO2. Diol means two OH groups. Di means two, ol means the OH group. So the product must have two OH groups. In the Bayes test, if alkene is used in the presence of KMnO4 dilute, alkaline, cold, the product will be diol and MnO2 brown precipitate. So the observation will be purple color of KMnO4 decolorized. That is diol. Purple color KMnO4 decolorized means the presence of diol, and brown precipitate form. The brown precipitate is the MnO2. If you use Bayes test for alkane, there will be no reaction here, no observable change. For observation, purple color of KMnO4 remain unchanged if you use Bayes test for alkene. But for alkene, purple color KMnO4 decolorized, brown precipitate form. For bromine test, if you use alkene, bromine in inert solvent, each bromine atom will attach to each carbon. So this carbon attached to 1Br, this carbon attached to 1Br. That is when you use bromine in inert solvent. If it is tested with alkene, reddish brown color of Br2 decolorized. But if you test it with alkane, there will be no reaction here. The observation for alkane, reddish brown color of Br2 remain unchanged. That's for alkane. And bromine test in water, in the presence of alkene, Br2 in water, one bromine atom attached to one carbon, one OH group will attach to another carbon that is involved in double bond. The observation is reddish brown color of Br2 decolorized. But if you use bromine test in water for alkane, no reaction here. And then alkane, reddish brown color of Br2 remain unchanged. That's for alkane. So that's how you determine the difference between alkene and alkane, the presence of them by testing with bromine and Bayes test.